Welcome back to AB Vocab Stream Academy. In today's lesson, we're diving into the fascinating world of body parts vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, this video will help you learn and remember the names of different body parts. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the abdomen. Abdomen, the part of the body containing the digestive organs. In humans, it is the area between the chest and the pelvis. Next, we have the Adam's apple. Adam's apple, a projection at the front of the neck formed by the thyroid cartilage of the larynx, often prominent in men. Arch of the foot. The arch of the foot is the curved part of the sole of the foot, formed by the tarsal and metatarsal bones, and supported by ligaments and tendons. Arm. Each of the two upper limbs of the human body from the shoulder to the hand. Armpit. The hollow under the arm at the shoulder. Ball of the foot. The ball of the foot is the padded area on the sole of the foot, located just behind the toes. It is where the heads of the metatarsal bones are situated. Back. The rear surface of the human body from the shoulders to the hips. Backside. Informal term for the buttocks. Belly. Another term for the abdomen or stomach. Belly button. The navel. The small central scar on the abdomen left after the umbilical cord is cut at birth. Bosom. A woman's chest or breasts. Bottom. The part of the body that you sit on. Breast. Either of the two soft, protruding organs on the upper front of a woman's body that secrete milk after childbirth. Bridge. The upper bony part of the nose. Bum. Informal term for the buttocks. Bust. A woman's chest or breasts. Buttock. Either of the two round fleshy parts that form the lower rear area of a human trunk. Calf. The back part of the lower leg. Chest. The front surface of a person's or animal's body between the neck and the abdomen. Cleavage. The hollow between a woman's breasts, especially as revealed by a low-cut garment. Crotch. The part of the human body between the legs where they join the torso. Elbow. The joint between the forearm and the upper arm. Epidermis. The outer layer of cells covering an organism, in particular. Face. The front part of a person's head from the forehead to the chin. Fat. A natural oily substance occurring in animal bodies, especially when deposited as a layer under the skin or around certain organs. Flesh. The soft substance consisting of muscle and fat that is found between the skin and bones of an animal or a human. Forearm. The part of a person's arm extending from the elbow to the wrist or the fingertips. Foot. The lowest part of the body, at the end of the leg on which a person or animal stands. Foreskin. The retractable roll of skin covering the end of the penis. Hip. The projecting part of the body formed by the pelvis and the upper part of the thigh. Heel. The back part of your foot. Instep. The part of a person's foot between the ball and the ankle. Knee. The joint between the thigh and the lower leg. Lap. The flat area between the waist and knees of a seated person. Leg. Each of the limbs on which a person or animal walks and stands. Limb. An arm or leg of a person or four-legged animal, or a bird's wing. Midriff. The region of the front of the body between the chest and the waist. Nape. The back of a person's neck. Navel. The small round part in the middle of the stomach on the front of somebody's body. Neck. The part of a person's or animal's body connecting the head to the rest of the body. Nipple. The small projection in which the mammary ducts of female mammals terminate and from which milk can be secreted. Pore. A minute opening in a surface, especially the skin or integument of an organism, through which gases, liquids, or microscopic particles can pass. Rear end. The fleshy part at the back of the body that a person sits on. Scalp. The skin covering the head, excluding the face. Shin. The front part of the leg below the knee. Shoulder. The upper joint of each of a person's arms and the part of the body between this and the neck. Skin. The thin layer of tissue forming the natural outer covering of the body of a person or animal. Stomach. The internal organ in which the major part of the digestion of food occurs. Sole. The bottom surface of your foot. Testicle. Either of the two oval organs that produce sperm in men and other male mammals. Thigh. The part of the human leg between the hip and the knee. Throat. The front part of the neck. Torso. The trunk of the human body. Trunk. The main part of the body, excluding the head, neck, and limbs. Tummy. informal term for the stomach. Tummy button, another term for the navel. Waist, the part of the human body below the ribs and above the hips. Wrist, the joint connecting the hand with the forearm. That's all for today's lesson on body parts vocabulary. We hope you found it informative and fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AB Vocab Stream Academy for more educational content. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.